Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. With determination and hard work, I started taking exercise and health seriously to improve my strength and mobility. Slowly but surely, I began to see progress. I went from being in a wheelchair to walking stairs. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
Ready? Go ahead. No hands. That's the goal. And to think you started out in a wheelchair. Did you go from wheelchair to the ski poles or something in between?
No. Wheelchair walker to the ski poles.
Wheelchair, walker, then ski poles. That's not bad. And how long? What has it been, about a year? When did we started training? Last January?
I was on ski poles.
When you first came in to see me. So roughly a year, a little bit over a year of training. And how long has it been since you got the stem cell treatment?
3 months.
3 months, so about a year, and then you got the stem cell treatment. A year of training and then the stem cell treatment. You made slow, steady progress training, but did you notice a big improvement after the stem cells?
Oh yeah, a lot. Especially with this.
What would you say? How does it feel different? How does it feel better?
Again, I don't have to think.
It just seems more fluid, more natural.
Yeah.
And why are you wearing those wrist weights?
For coordination.
For coordination? Yeah, that's good. Now, how long were we training before you were able to start driving again?
About 9-10 months.
9-10 months?
Yeah.
That was before the stem cells.
Yeah.
Did you notice after the stem cells, did you notice a marked improvement or any improvement with driving?
Yeah. So much, it's too much to say. But it goes back to not thinking.
So just, I guess, everything overall, all the moves and just seem easier?
Yeah.
Well, I remember you couldn't walk the steps. I remember we used to have to take the elevator with ski poles.
Yeah.
This is what people need to do for pretty much everything. Pretty much everything I can think of. I can't think of a minus, a negative from training. But I think a lot of traditional, I guess you could say, I hate that word, medicine in this country is just geared toward either surgical procedures or prescribing medications. Nothing wrong with surgical procedures. Sometimes you need them, but the medication, that's another story. Oftentimes it's just garbage to treat symptoms. Does little to nothing to cure whatever the problem is. And nutrition, no one even thinks about that, which is idiotic from my point of view. As a trainer, that's integral. Particularly when it comes to anything neurological. Your brain, your nervous system can't operate optimally, ideally, on cereal and grains and toasts and bread and just garbage. Just Snickers bars and Doritos. McDonald's, that's the kind of stuff people eat though. So many people eat. So when we first started this, you were doing 10. We're doing like a set, like a weight set. 10, then you take a break, then you do 10, then you take a break, then you do 10. And you were much slower and you were holding on to the rails often.
Yeah.
And now how many are you doing nonstop?
70.
70. And how fast did you just do it in?
That only took a couple months.
No. Like the actual 70 that you just did today.
33 minutes.
33 minutes. We're going to get that time down. Now if we can just hear that annoying clicking in the shoe.
I don't know what it is.
Oh well, as long as it works.
If you or someone you know is struggling with ataxia, this video and channel may provide hope and motivation. Don't miss out on witnessing this incredible transformation. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.